Alright guys, so just check out this paper airplane. Wow, very cool. Flies very high. Okay, let's try again. Let me go over here and turn it up to the sky again. And let's walk over here. Alright, you see the house over there? It's like 2 stories high. But this one will fly above that house for sure. So check it out. Wow! And the cool thing about this plane is when I throw it up high, this goes down and it keeps flying. Wow. Wow. Welcome to 3Day channel, and today I am going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. The paper airplane is a new design, and I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Alright, so to make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. If you do not have US letter size paper, that's easy. Use A4 paper or whatever paper you have. Okay, just use printing paper. It's a rectangle piece of paper and it should work. Now let's fold the paper in half this way. Okay. And now unfold the paper. Let's start from the upper edge, fold both sides to the center crease. Alright, and repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So let me do it now. Fold it this way. On the following step, I will start from the upper part here. This is a triangle shape. Let's fold down. Is this something familiar with you? This is a very basic fold, right? Everyone can do it. Next step, let's unfold the paper. Okay, let's start from this upper part, this tip right here, fold straight to the other side. Okay, now let's fold to the other side. Press this until here and repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay. That's cool. Now let's flip the paper over and fold this triangle shape down. Just fold down. Alright, so this is what we have. On the following step, let's match both edges to the center crease and push the paper down and push this part down. Oh wow, this looks very familiar. You already know how to make the swallow. This is a very similar fold, right? Okay, so now let's start from this edge, forward to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Oh cool, it's really cool already. On the following step, I will start from this edge. I will fold this this flap to the other side, and I'll start from this side and fold the edge to the center crease. Let's see what we can come up with. Okay, I finished this side and I repeat the other side. Same step. All right. Okay, now I can unfold the upper part here. Let me do it this way. Okay, I'll fold this whole part to the other side, and I start from this edge, estimate about 1 inch along this edge, and I fold it out. If you know how to fold the spirit dragon, this is basically the similar step. Okay, similar plan. Okay, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Alright, so now I can flatten the paper to see what I have here. Pretty cool. I have very cool shape of the plan already. Okay, let me see. Now on this part of the paper, I'll fold it. Let's hold the paper like this first. Okay, this is complicated. This part of the paper, I fold it like this. I fold it inward. Okay, I fold it inward to hold the wings. Okay, and I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. We already have the crease here. It is half full, so I just fold it inward. Push it more. Push it as much as you can. Okay, let's look just fine. Okay, just fine here. Awesome. Okay, on the following step, I can do it this way. I can fold inward just a little bit like this. Okay, you can see this part. I can fold just a little bit like this. And I repeat the same fold for the other side as well. Just fold a little bit more. And then I can fold this. You can see this pointy part here. I push this in. Okay, here you go. Oh, I need to hold this one back. So let me push this in. Hold the paper, push this in. Awesome. This looks very cool, right? Adjust this side of the paper as well. Now let's fold the paper in half. Perfect. And I'm going to create the wings. I will just hold it part of the paper and fold it down. Okay. By doing this way, I can keep the wings strong, the head strong, and it's look nice as well. Press down the paper, and at this point I'll create the elevators. Actually, I'm going to create the stabilizer first. So this is the stabilizers of the plane, not the elevator. Once I finish one side, I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. You know what? This is off a little bit, but this should be okay. Okay, I am not going to create a super long distance plane. I'm going to create a plane that's fly far. And if you want to make it fly very far, shoot for it super careful. But look at the plane, it's look pretty cool. Next, okay, let's start over. Next, I'm going to create the elevators. So for this part up, same thing for this side. Here we go. And here you go, guys. So this is a new paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Test this out. If it's worked well for you, give the video a like, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.